Welcome to your new Kandi Trail King. This tutorial will walk you through assembling your new bike. Before assembling or using the bike, read the manual thoroughly to ensure safe operation. First, point the headset towards the front of the bike. Tighten the headset screws. Place the handlebar in the handlebar mount, being careful not to damage the wires. Face the mounting brackets on the front end of the mount, with the round edges facing outward. Insert the screws into the screw holes and tighten, alternating sides until equally tight. Adjust the display position to fit your comfortable riding posture. Tighten the screws. Next, install the front wheel. Remove the spacer between the brake pads. Remove the spacer between the front fork. Remove the cap on the wheel hub. Insert the front wheel between the front fork on the bike. Be sure to align the disc between the brake pads as shown. Now, on the outside, add the spacer, washer, and end nut on each side. The side of the spacer with helical teeth should be placed towards the wheel hub side. Hand turn until almost tight, then tighten each side end nut, putting your weight into the wrench. The end nut must be very tight. Be sure to retighten after your first couple of rides. Next, install the headlight. Place the headlight with its bracket in front of the fork. Secure the fixing nut tightly so the screw doesn't turn. Connect the headlight cable to the wire coming out from the battery tube. Verify your front tire lines up with your headset. Tighten the screws on the stem end. Tighten the screw on top of the stem. Next, install the pedals. Identify the left and right markings on the pedals before installing. Incorrect installation will cause damage. When sitting on your bike, the pedals go on the left and right, respectively. Keep the pedal horizontal while hand screwing to get the thread started. Then, use a wrench to tighten. Both pedals tighten towards the front of the bike. The left pedal is reverse threaded to allow this. The pedals need to be very tight, so be sure to retighten them after your first couple of rides. Install the seat. Clamp the quick release. Finally, install the battery. Charge your battery fully in preparation for your first ride. Push the battery pack into the down tube tightly until it clicks into place. Congratulations! Your Kandi Trail King is now assembled and ready to use.